Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change headlight bulb Dodge Avenger, only ways. Remove the negative battery terminal before you begin, then open the hood and locate the headlight housing. Work in good light and keep parts organized on a clean surface to avoid confusion. I explain how to access the bulb, remove it without touching the glass, and install the new bulb securely so your headlights work reliably. Start by opening the hood and locating the back of the headlight assembly. Remove the dust cover or unclip the retaining ring to expose the bulb, then press the wiring harness tab and pull it straight off. Gently unclip or twist the bulb free from its socket, avoiding force that could break the glass or housing. Set the old bulb aside and inspect the connector for corrosion before proceeding to installation. With gloves on, remove the new bulb from its packaging and avoid touching the glass directly. Line up the bulb tabs with the socket and push or twist until it seats securely. The fit should feel firm without forcing. Reattach the wiring harness, replace the dust cover or retaining ring, and reconnect the negative battery terminal. Test the low and high beams to confirm proper operation and adjust alignment if needed before closing the hood.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.